Lagging materials. Materials low thermal conductivity used for the purpose of preventing heat loss is called the lagging materials. Loss of heat by, as you can see, this is the domestic geyser, right? Domestic geyser, and you can see in that area wool is filled up. When the water heat up inside, this won't allow the heat to pass through it because it is the bad conductor of heat, wool. So loss of heat by conduction through the wall of water heater is reduced by the making double walls, and the space will filled by the glass wool, right, which is a lagging material, right. Application of conduction. So you can see here applications, right. Application of conduction. Cooking utensils are made of material and alloy so that the heat from the flame is conducted to the food inside efficiently, right. Conduction, as you can see that the aluminium is a better conductor of copper. Many times if you see the in a utensil, the surface is made of a copper, because copper is a good conductor of heat, so your food will be cooked up very quickly because of copper, right. Copper. And many of handles, utensil handles are made of a plastic, because plastic is a bad conductor of heat, so it will prevent the hand injury, right. So here in we use woolen clothes in the winter feel warm because of trapped between heat, because air trapped between the two fibers, as air is bad conductor of heat, right. The body heat does not flow to the cold surrounding, so we feel warm. Two thin woolen blankets are warmer than one thick woolen blankets, because the air trapped between the blankets and insulated, thus not allowing heat from body to flow out. As fourth one, we use insulator like brick and mud when we build houses, right. Because brick is as we know, it is a bad conductor of it, is non-metal, so it won't allow its work as an insulator. In summer season it will cool, and in the winter season that will be warm, right. So bad conductor have a wide application. Double glazing windows reduce heat loss because of poor conducting layer air between two sheets glass, as seen in the air conditioned locomotive coaches. Sixth one is walking bare root stone floor in winter make 4 feet feel cold as the store. As if you walk on into the winter onto the tiles, that will feel cool, because cold, because of that will absorb your feet heat of your feet, right. That's why we feel um cold. But on to the carpet, that is the bad conductor of it, so it will not absorb your heat of feet, right. That's why. Application of convection. As you can see here, as places on the coast in summertime, it is noticeable that the breeze generally blow from the sea during the day, while night direction of the wind is reversed. These breezes are local convection current. Land gets heated and cools down faster than water. During the day, the land is heated by the sun to the higher temperature than the sea. Air over the land is therefore heated, so it expands and rises, while cooler air blows from the sea to take its place. This is called the sea breeze, right? During the day, land is heated by the sun to the higher temperature, right? So the air over the land therefore heated, so it expand rises, while cooler air blows in from the sea to take its place. As you can see here, land is heated, right, because of day, and then sunshine, and this the air will warmer, and then it will become light, then it will become light, it will go up, right, and then it will go up, the cooler breeze coming from the sea will take place, right. And was in the night, as you can see, in the night, cools rapidly, land cools rapidly compared to the sea water, so warmer air rises from the sea and replaced by the colder air from the land, so the convection current is reversed, right. So as you can see, in the night that will be warmer and go up, and this cooler air from the land will come and take place. That is how convection of current takes place. Car engines are cooled by the convection of current set up in the water pipes around the combustion chamber, and smoke and hot gases produced in the factories escape through tall chimneys due to the convection of current. Right. So, application of radiation. where we can apply. Cooling devices is car radiator and painted black, so have cooling affected by the radiating heat, right? Car radiators are made of uh, painted black because it can absorb the heat. Room heaters have polished and shining surface to reflect most of the heat by radiation produced by it. Heating elements, brightly polished object retain their internal heat energy from the long period. Hot beverages stay hot longer in such polished wood. We feel comfortable wearing the light colored clothes in the summer because of light colored clothes absorb the less amount of radiation heat of the sun, and the dark cloth the reverse applies in winter. Most winter clothes, as you can see, we will wear a dark color in the winter so they can absorb heat and keep us warm, and in the light color in the summer so they can radiate heat, they can reflect the heat and keep us cool. Building which are whitewashed or painted in the light color stay cool in summer. Some common observation: what are cooling coils of refrigeration and air conditioner are made of a copper because it conducts away the heat quickly, copper being one of the best conductor of heat, right? Bird puff up their feathers in the winter, cover themselves with the coat of air, so which acts as an insulator, as the feathers create thousands of air pockets, right? As we know, is a bad conductor of heat, air is a bad conductor of heat, right? So the bird do not lose their body heat, right? So it means that air is a bad conductor of heat, we know that. So many of air pockets are formed in the feather of birds, so it works like an insulator, so they keep the birds warm. Greenhouse effect, as we know, greenhouse made of a glass sheet, it is used to grow plants, right? Grow plants in the climate, in the cold climate. The sun's radiation easily pass through these glass sheets, right? These rays are absorbed by the earth, and the plants inside the greenhouse, which is the turn raise the temperature of air in the greenhouse by conduction and convection. The warm air is enclosed and is not allowed to escape, thus heat loss is negligible. The temperature inside the greenhouse rises to the value which is suitable for the plant growth, right? Factory roofs are painted with the shining aluminum paint. The bright surface reduce heat loss in winter and absorb less heat in the summer month. This helps keeping inside temperature moderates, right? So this is the about greenhouse, right? Here is a, as you can see, greenhouse is made of a glass sheet, right? This is used to grow plant in cold, right? The sun radiation easily pass through these glass sheets. These rays are absorbed by the heat by the earth and the plants inside the greenhouse, which is a turn raise temperature of air in the greenhouse by conduction and convection. As you can see, this is just glass sheet, right? Sun rays will come, this will trap inside heat, right? Thus heat loss is negligible. Once the heat is trapped inside, because it is a bad conductor glass sheet, won't allow the heat to pass through, right? Thermal flask, a thermal flask keeps a drink hot or cold close to its temperature for longer period of time by minimizing heat loss, right? So how it is made? It consists of a double walled glass shell having a vacuum between the walls, both of the walls silvered or vacuum side. Vacuum side heat cannot enter the leave the inner flask by conduction or convection through the vacuum. As you can see, there is a vacuum double layer there. The vacuum heat cannot be travel through the vacuum. Once the heat trap, it will can't travel through the vacuum, air is not available, so it will trap inside, heat is trapped inside. So a very small quantity of heat can gained by the loss of flash by radiation, but this is reduced to minimum because of silvering. Right? A little heat is transmitted. As you can see, this is silver inside, so once the heat will trap, silver will not allow the heat to go pass through, right? So vacuum plays vital role here. Vacuum will not provide a medium to heat pass through, so the temperature will remain as it is. So flash by radiation, but this reduce the minimum because of silvering. A little heat is transmitted through its glass wall and neck and the cork stopper. Okay, that's all we have for the day. Thank you very much.